Hello, everybody. My name is Joseph Spears, and today is the 21st of December, 2021. All right. So I'm originally from Cincinnati, Ohio. I currently live in Nashville, Tennessee. I'm active duty Army. I've been in for about 15 years now, stationed up at Fort Campbell, Kentucky, and I live in Nashville, right around Germantown. So I've got a family. My mother, Jan, my father, Joe, and my sister, Caitlin, who has two daughters with my brother-in-law, Richard. And yep, that's about it for friends and family. Let's see. So hobbies. Right now I'm taking 7 credit hours, so between that and a full-time job in the military, I'm fairly limited in free time, but I do enjoy working out, running, reading quite a bit, but the majority of my free time at the moment is taken up with this. I graduated with a bachelor's degree from George Washington University in 2019 and have been working on my prerequisite coursework in order to apply to medical school since then. This is my second to last class, so this and Physics 1, and then I'm finished. It's been quite a journey. So I plan on applying to medical school next year. I'll be taking the MCAT and then applying from there the following cycle. My goal for this course is to learn as much about biochemistry and the mechanisms, enzymes, structures, and everything else that goes along with that. I'm also taking cell biology at the moment, so it's a pretty good tie-in between the two courses. And then obviously there's a lot to be said for how this links into things that are applicable to everything you do in medicine, whether that's pharmacokinetics or cellular biology, anything to do with that. But yeah, I look forward to working with everybody this semester and wish you all the best of luck.